What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to make money with digital products using glitching AI. Now most digital products will be ebooks, and by using glitching AI you can generate your own book with its cover, with its content, and you can also make the product page mockup using glitching AI in a very easy way. So in this video I'll discuss how you can do so. Now first, when you open glitching AI, you will find here on the left side digital products. Now click on it, then click here as you can see, and now we have to choose your book topic. So I'm going to choose growing your social media, for example. Then here as you can see on the top you will find some steps. Now we are going to head into every step and how does it work. So now the website is using AI in order to generate you a cover for your book. And after generating, it will show you three options. As you can see, you can choose any one of them, and I advise you guys to do some modifications in order to make it more humanized, because as you can see it looks like it is IA generated. So I'm going to choose the one in the middle because it looks more realistic. And step 3, it will generate the whole book content. It will show the chapters and how does it look. Then it will show you this option up right here, download PDF. Now you can download the whole book and you can actually read it and see if you have to make any modifications to it or not. And here as you can see, the book is 90 pages. It is a full book about growing your social media. Then in step 4, it will generate the product page mockup. You can actually do whatever modifications that you want, and I advise you guys to use your own content. So try to put your logo, try to put some pictures of yours in order to make it more realistic. Then here as you can see, it will show you how does the page will look, and it will show you also the price. And when you scroll down, you will find more options in the page, and you can simply customize these pictures and put your own pictures. And in step 5, it will generate a reel, which you can use actually in order to advertise for your ebook. You can upload it on Instagram, Facebook, or any platform that you want. And after generating the reel, it will show you some tips on the right side, as you can see. So it will show you the time to post, the posting frequency, and actually guys, it's going to make a magnificent reel. And you can also download this reel by clicking on this icon right here. You can do some modifications to this reel. And after downloading the reel, you can do any modifications that you want. You can edit it if you need. And by this way, guys, you can simply use digital products in order to get more money on glitching AI. And you can sell your book easily on Shopify. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.